That sound powers alarms, school bells, and quiz buzzers. But how does this tiny circuit work? Let's make it ourselves. We will need cell holder, press switch, buzzer, wires. Now let's build the circuit. First, connect the positive terminal of the battery to one side of the push-button switch. Connect other side of the switch to red wire. Now, connect the negative terminal of the buzzer back to the negative side of the battery. Finally, connect the other side of the switch to the positive terminal of the buzzer. Try this fun science project at home or school. Like, share, and subscribe for more DIY science experiments. And now, press the button. The circuit is complete, so electricity flows and the buzzer makes sound. Ever wondered where this buzzer circuit is used? It's used in alarm clocks, school bells, doorbells, fire alarms, burglar security systems, quiz buzzers, car parking sensors, timers, and even emergency warning systems. This tiny circuit creates sound alerts that help us every single day.